Welcome back. So, today there's a car meet in this car club called Indiana Head Turns that I'm part of. It's a club made with mostly muscle cars. So, it's kind of, it's cool, but I need some of my import brothers. I'm gonna go crash that meet since we need more imports there. I'm gonna be the only import at that meet, so we're gonna see how that goes. First, I gotta pick up some friends and also picking up Miata Boy, who is actually swapping his Miata with a 1.8 from a newer Miata. I really don't know too much about a Miata, so he can probably tell you about it. But it should be fun, and I'll see you when I pick up Miata Boy. We're here in Miata Boy's neighborhood, breaking necks. Oh, there he is. His car's on jack stands.
I spy Miata.
Checking out Zach's Miata. Got that 1.8.
1.8, yeah.
So it runs, it just needs coolant lines, then it'll run more, right?
Yeah, we got them in and everything. You just gotta get the water pump down too.
So what else do you need for it to be fully operational?
Coolant.
Coolant?
Refill it on coolant. Really, that's it. Then we gotta
Dude,
get the heater core working.
It's sick. Got the aluminum door cards.
Yeah. That's you, I think.
Can't forget about the NSX either. Crazy. So how much do you think it's gonna make? Like 250?
200-ish.
200?
With the tune.
With it, 200 at the crank or at the wheels?
Oh, probably the wheels. With the tune though. Probably without we make it 180-ish.
Because this is a built engine, right?
Oh yeah, built engine. He autocrossed it like 13 times.
So
Before he pulled it, he took it to this drag strip one last time and spun it through second gear.
really?
Yeah.
That's. I mean, this car's gonna be. I mean, we have.
14, I think.
We have to race because this car is gonna have maybe the same power, maybe a little bit less.
Power to weight ratio.
But then it weighs a lot less, but my car weighs more, so it'll be an interesting race. So we're gonna have to get that going. Oh yeah, sleepy eyes, dude.
Yeah. Jazz performance.
Dude, this thing's badass.
Yeah, it's great. I love it.
It's open. Yeah, open headers. Dude, it's sick. Sick WRX, dude.
I don't. Why Peyton shakes? Why would you give him?
He's got a.
There's video stabilizers.
Let's race him. He wants to race. Yeah,
Dude, he wants some.
He wants some.
Dude, is that an STI? Is that an STI?
I think so.
Jesus Christ, dude, that is a speed god.
Dude, how's the trans holding?
Look, it's got all-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive. People cannot drive in this intersection. It's like absolute hell.
Yeah, we're just gonna stop you in the middle of the road.
Yeah, like right in the middle.
We know you want some, bro.
Oh, dude, he wants some.
He wants some.
Oh, we're gonna line up, dude. We're lining up. Should
I think that Civic wants some too.
Should I give? Oh, it's
Oh,
a
no.
lady. Should I give it a little rev?
No, you gotta test this Civic, see if you want some.
All right, I'll give it a little like 4,000 RPM rev here.
Oh,
Oh, they want some, dude.
He wants it.
this is the Civics want me.
Payne, how do you feel about this?
It's great. Really great.
We're one of the only imports here, and we got another WRX. That's all right, but is this something funny?
You're worried about scratching your
Alright,
car, yet
boys.
you do that.
Got the honorary head turner sticker. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this on because I hate windshield stickers, but I'll do it for the meet. Look at that crisp. Oh.
Oh no!
I didn't even clean my windshield. I'm such an asshole. All right, we're leading.
Send. I think you want to go right.
What?
Never mind.
Not sure where the rest of the group is. They went forward, but that stop was so long, like we lost them.
They could be anywhere. are.
Somebody said we're going on the back roads, but we're just on a main road right now, so I'm not sure. Alright, somehow figuring out what to do. On a little bit of trying to get off the main roads. And I think we're supposed to take a right here, based off what I've been talking to the main leader about. Yeah, butts excavating. That's a meme right there.
The audio in your video is gonna be shit. It's like because the windows are open.
Send. Alright, well, we've caught up to the group now.
Yeah, at least I think so. Let me roll the windows up a little bit. I feel like the audio's already gonna be terrible. Okay, so I think we're kind of back up to the group. All these people behind me, there's like 12 cars that just depended on me there. It's kind of scary actually. But the cruise is going cool. I think we're taking some cool roads. Yeah, I'm probably the slowest car out of anyone here because everyone's like kind of 400 plus. I'm like 225 maybe, pushing it. Yeah, Zach's car's not even running.
It runs for 2 seconds, then it overheats, okay?
So we have to decide on the turn, and I think we were abandoned. the guy behind me just didn't go anywhere, so I'm just like the only one now. Solo cruise. We're just in the middle of the road. This road sucks. Oh my god. Oh jeez. My man Dalton brought us back. We're back with the crew.
The gang's all here. That's the guy he was talking about. Orange Camaro guy. What?
We back.
He's got the hazards on because he just went through a crowd.
Oh, it's so loud.
Good.
We got the lineup, dude.
I've never heard outside my car.
It sounds good. We're just chilling out here. Got my cameraman. We were going like the speed limit, I think. Payne, would you say we were going exactly the speed limit the whole time?
Yes.
Okay. I guess we're just kind of waiting on more people, or we're just regrouping and holding up. The line's dope. Dude, look at that. Oh. Or the cat bag. Yeah, I guess we're following imports now. Dude, look at this person right here. She has no clue what's going on. You want to hear something funny? This guy that lives at this house, the first group pulled up, and then he was outside, and he was like, "Is it okay if we park out here?" And he was like, "Yeah, as long as the Subaru goes away." So, guess my man back there doesn't like imports.
They just rolled up home.
Oh, they're back. They're probably like, "What the hell is going on, dude?" Oh boy. Rolling loud.
Oh.
You ran that stop sign, I'm calling the cops.
Oh my god.
This cruise that we've been on right now, it's been really fun. One of probably the best cruises I've been on. It's just a whole lot of guys, you know, we're meeting up. Everyone here is really nice, really wholesome. Shout out Indiana Head Turners for letting me in and being in this cruise. We'll see how the rest of this goes.
What's better than this?
Yeah.
Just guys being dudes.
Forgot to do an outro for this video and I'm editing it right now, but I don't care, so bye.